In this video, I will show you how Pro Importer actually import items from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idofish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how a pro import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how Pro Importer import from China using 1688 without using agent. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is to open up your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my 1688 shopping app. Having opened up your 1688 shopping app, the first thing you want to do is to make sure you add your item to cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart, consider to check the video on my channel. I have made a lot of video on how to add an item to cart. After you have successfully added an item to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here to fill your cart. So all the item you have in your cart is going to be found right here. Okay, next thing you want to do is to make sure you simply click on here to select all the items. Now the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to proceed to checkout. Alright, so I'm paying the sum of 21.77 yuan to purchase all these items, 21.77 yuan. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. And I click on here to proceed to payment. And I click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. Payment done, successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. For me to access my profile, I need to click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So you can see all the items right here. So this is how importer actually import from China with 1688 without using agent. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe for more importation business tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idofish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a pro importer without using agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.